today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these red eyebrows. Now, let me just say, this is super easy. Like, when I say it's super easy, it's super easy, like mad easy. The only reason why I'm doing this video is because like 3-4 of my friends had already asked me, like, how do you do that? Like, the last time I had red hair, like, I wanted to do red eyebrows, but I couldn't find the right red, and there's no red eyebrow pencils that look like that, and this and that and this and that. So that's the only reason why I'm making this video, because I know it's super easy. Please do not say it in the comments. I know it's easy, but I figured that if my friends was like interested and curious about it, that maybe like other people would be interested about it. That's just a like quick disclaimer for you guys. But I also just want to say thank you so much for watching in advance. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button wherever it is on your screen. I don't know, YouTube always changes so much, so I don't have no idea where it's at. I think it's on the bottom though, so make sure you click that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get straight into the video.
And every pretty chocolate girl, I hope y'all all know your worth. Because you dark or you light brown, they saying you ain't right now. Never ever let a nigga put you down. I hate.
We now return to your regular programming.
Okay, so I just want to point out, I know my face is really dry. I have really dry skin, so don't mind my skin. I know it's dry. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with this. I'm sorry, I just hit my nail, so I'll probably be making like strange faces in this video. That's why like my nail really hurts. But okay, so I'm gonna start out. The only thing I'm gonna use is my regular concealer and this red lip liner. Okay, the first time I tried doing red eyebrows, I did kind of like, I was doing the most, like I was like mixing it with my regular brown eyebrow pomade and all of that, but I tried it once with just the red eyeliner, and that's really all you really need. So I have this NK Auto lip liner in the color red. I think it's just red, yeah. AA18 red. With the cap, it looks just like this. I'm gonna take my spoolie, and I actually got this from Sephora. I think it was like $12. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush in number 12. And I'm just going to comb out my natural eyelashes. So in the front, I like to brush my eyebrows up. And then when it starts getting in the middle, I start doing it like more diagonal and up. And then once I finish with the arch, I like to just go down. Do the same thing on the other side. Brush up, brush diagonal, and then brush. And right after that, I'm just gonna go right in with the lip liner. Okay, so the only thing I'm doing is I'm going to outline the bottom part of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to outline the top part, and then I'm just gonna fill it in. And when I outline the bottom, I like to go a little bit before my regular my regular eyebrow. So this is what it looks like after I did the first outline on the bottom, and now I'm going to do an outline on the top part of my eyebrow. I'm not going to start it the same place that I started it on the bottom. I'm going to do it a little bit like right here. I'm going to start right here.
I just like the sound of it.
So now, as you guys can see, I have both the bottom outlined and the top outlined, and now I'm just gonna like fill it in the middle.
I just like the sound.
But I'm going to start from like a little bit behind where I put the top outline. the front, I do very, very, very light strokes so it can look more natural. Another thing that's really good about this lip liner is it's buildable, so if you want it to be like a more bold red, you could just keep on filling it in over and over and it'll become more darker. Then I just go back in with my spoolie and then I gently just go through the front part and then rake it through the whole eyebrow. Now don't worry if it looks messy, because now we're going to clean it up with concealer. The concealer that I use is the EYEBROW concealer in the color Fawn. And I use this because it's actually pretty close to my natural skin tone. I hate seeing girls that have like a concealer that's like 5-6 shades lighter than them and they use it to outline their eyebrows. Like, it looks so dumb. It looks so freaking retarded. I say that just to say because I know like every brown girl uses Fawn. This is actually pretty close to my skin tone, that's why I use it. But if you are a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, then you're gonna need a different concealer that fits you. You can even use your own foundation to outline your eyebrows if you want to look really natural. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. concealer brush that I got from Walmart, I believe. I don't remember how much it was, but it was probably like $3. And I'm just gonna outline the bottom, outline the top, and yeah, I'm gonna let y'all look at that. Don't mind this part of my brush. I was mixing my foundation and didn't wipe it off fast enough, so it's kind of just like dried up, but yeah, don't mind that.
I just like the sound of it.
That I have both the top and bottom part of my eyebrow outlined, I'm just gonna take an even bigger concealer brush and just blend it up, blend it out so it doesn't look crazy like this. I mean, if you want to leave it like this, you can, but I would suggest you blend it out. Super easy. Like, you're basically just doing the same thing that you would with your regular brown eyebrows or whatever color eyebrows that you would normally wear. Yeah, but besides this, like, I've never used like any kind of liner or like eyebrow pencil or anything to do my eyebrows. Like, I've never done that before, so it was kind of weird getting the hang of it. But if I could do it, and this is my first time using a liner or a pencil, whatever you want to call it, to do my eyebrows, then anybody can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I know I told you guys I was putting up a prank. I'm still putting it up. I'm just like, you know, setting it up so it can be believable and everything. Don't worry, when it comes, it's gonna be mad popping.